Extreme fasting, such as not eating and only drinking water, can lead to rapid weight loss. The amount of weight loss, however, varies depending on several factors, including your initial weight, body composition, metabolism, and overall health. It's important to note that engaging in prolonged fasting or severely restricting caloric intake without medical supervision can be dangerous and may lead to serious health complications. During a water-only fast, the body primarily burns stored glycogen, carbohydrate stores, for energy. Each gram of glycogen is bound to around 3 to 4 grams of water, so when glycogen is depleted, water weight is also lost. However, this initial weight loss is temporary and largely consists of water and glycogen, not body fat. After the initial phase, the body turns to fat stores for energy through a process called ketosis. This phase can lead to further weight loss, primarily in the form of body fat. However, the rate at which this weight loss occurs can vary significantly from person to person. In general, it's not advisable to pursue such extreme fasting methods for weight loss without proper medical supervision. Rapid and excessive weight loss can have negative effects on your overall health, including muscle loss, nutrient deficiencies, electrolyte imbalances, and a slowed metabolism. If you're looking to lose weight, it's recommended to adopt a balanced and sustainable approach, which includes a healthy diet, regular physical activity, and consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to develop a personalized plan. Please make any comments below. Thank you, Dr. Healthy Living.